Hello students, my name is Kwenison Debello, your course tutor for the day as always. We are now in lesson 6, Linear Inequalities 1. Linear Inequalities 1. Inequality is a statement that compares two expressions which are not equal. I repeat, inequalities are statements that compares two expressions that are not equal. We have inequality statements, some symbols we use to demonstrate or to show signs of inequality. You look at them there on the screen. You can see then number 1 there we have less than. We have less than written as a triangle, almost a semi-triangle here, as you can see. If you look at my hand, my left hand, in my primary school days, this is how our teacher demonstrates to us, like this. You watch here, the angle here. You equate it to that very particular place. You see how it looks, this very particular place. Look at the angle there that is formed. So we call it less than, this sign. Number 2, you see this sign there, the symbol, greater than, written as this. Written as this. So some of the symbols commonly used are, you see there, greater than, like I said earlier on, we have this one as your less than. We have the next one, which is greater and equal to, or greater or equal to. The next one is less than equal to. Then this one, the next one there, after less than or equal to, this one is not less than. You write less than and you cross it using a vertical stroke. See there, is not less than, while this one is not greater than. You see it there, look at the sign. Then you have your equality sign there, 2 strokes, horizontal strokes, parallel towards one direction. Look at it. In this one, we call it this sign, this symbol, not equal to. Not equal to. Then the next one is not less than or equal to. Not less than or equal to. Then the last one here, the ones we are going to be using on this lesson, not greater than or equal to. So we proceed straight to example 1. We are asked to find the value for which 4x minus 5 is less than 11. Find the value for which 4x minus 5 is less than 11. Solution, as usual, just like a linear equation, if you observe very, very well, there is only a slight difference, but you can see how it works. So here we put our 4x minus 5, we collect our like terms. You move minus 5 to the other side, or what you do, you add 5 to both sides so that this minus 5 here can be eliminated. When you move minus 5 here to the other side, you have plus 11. That is why it is like this. But the normal way is you add 5 to both sides. Plus 5 will remove this minus 5. That's why you have 4x left here. And then this plus 5 is added to 11. That's why you have 16 here. So add the right hand side together, you have 16. That's the reason you have 4x is less than 16. Now to solve further, you now divide both sides by the coefficient of x, because we want to make x the subject of the formula. So we divide both sides by 4. 4x divided by 4 less than 16 divided by 4. By the time 4 cancels 4 here, you have x left. 4 into 16 your answer will be x less than 4. Now, representing this arithmetic process on your number line, you draw the number line, look at it, then you place your figures. Over here, you have from 0, plus 1, plus 2, and this is plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and onward. But what is your figure here? You have x is less than 4. We are only interested in the 4 here. Look at it. It's our 4, and we are told that x is less than 4. It means that all the numbers we are going to be talking about, 4 is greater than them. That means x is less than 4. They are less than 4. So it means that from this place where our arrow is pointing backward, all the numbers there, they are what we refer to as x. So x is less than 4. They are from there. That is how we present it on the number line. Example 2. I hope you understand. Example 2, we are asked to solve the inequality 2x less than 5, open bracket, x minus 3, close your bracket. The solution, we say 2x is less than, you open your bracket here, 5 into x, you have 5x, minus 5 into plus times minus, here you have a minus, then 5 times 3, you have 15. I repeat, plus times plus here, plus behind the 5, and then plus behind this x. So when I say 5 plus times plus, you have a positive there, even though it's not written. But 5 times x, you have 5x. At the back here, you have a positive, you have positive number, a plus here. It's not written because it's not a negative something. Now, the plus here times this minus here is giving you minus. That is the reason why I took my time to explain this one. Now, 5 times 3, you have 15. Bracket open. That is it. Now collect your like terms. You see 5 is here and 5 at the other side. So what we now do, because this 5x is greater than this 2x, you bring it here. Meanwhile, you carry minus 15 to the other side. That's what we do here. Once you take it to cross the inequality sign, this one here, 15 becomes plus, minus 15 becomes plus. And by the time you take plus 2x to the other side, it becomes minus 2. You get the logic? From there, you perform your arithmetic process. Bring down 15. We have to subtract the values. Bring down 15. Then 5x minus 2x, you have 15 less than 3x. What do you do? If you like, you can just cancel straight. 3 here, 1. 3 into 15, you have 5. That is why you have, that is the reason you have 5 less than x. But you turn it the other way around because we don't want our variable to be on the right hand side. It must surely be on the left hand side. So as it crosses to the other side, our value will now, this inequality will now change to greater than. Therefore, x is greater than 5. I hope you are following. Should there be any difficulty in understanding it, you can watch again, and if there is any question or comment or criticism or contribution, you can write them on the comments section. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. But before I go, I leave you with these 2 exercises. Play with them and ensure that you master them. Solve the following linear inequalities. Number 1, 4x minus 1 less than or equal to 7. Number 2, 5x minus 2 is less than 4x plus 2. So have a great day and thank you once again. See you in the next class.